Maintenance other reset in a Nissan Qashqai. This is a 2011 model and I'll be showing you in this video how to reset that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is down here, I'll just flick on the light. On the right hand side down here is a button. When you press in, you scroll through and you get settings. When you get into settings and you press enter, you go down to maintenance, select. Then if it was tire, you'd press tire. If it was service, service. So you go down to other. It comes up here that this is past it. Go down to reset, enter, and then it zeroes out, and it's as simple as that. So that is how you reset the maintenance side on your Nissan Qashqai. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.